Your body has 206 bones right now, but what if it had just one? One giant bone, head to toe. Sounds simple, right? Stronger, maybe? Actually, it would be a complete disaster, and by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why your skeleton is built the way it is, and why evolution never gave us a single solid bone. Today we're doing a thought experiment. Take the 206 bones in the human body and fuse them into one. Let's break down, piece by piece, what would actually happen to your body. First, movement. Every joint in your body, your knee, your elbow, your hip, exists because two separate bones meet at that point. That's literally what a joint is. Now imagine one solid bone from your skull to your toes. No separate pieces means no joints, no bending. You couldn't sit down, you couldn't walk, you couldn't even pick up your phone. You'd basically be a statue. A living, breathing statue, but a statue. Here's one people don't expect. Breathing. Your rib cage is made of separate, flexible bones that expand and contract every single time you inhale and exhale. If your ribs were fused into one rigid block, your chest cavity couldn't expand. Air couldn't move in and out properly. In other words, one giant bone doesn't just stop you from walking, it stops you from breathing. Individual bones have something called growth plates, and that's how your body grows proportionally as a kid. Arms, legs, spine, all growing in sync. One solid bone has no growth plates, so normal proportional growth basically becomes impossible. Right now, if you break your arm, the rest of your body still works fine. You can still walk, still talk, still function. But with one bone, a single fracture anywhere, your finger, your toe, doesn't matter, means your entire skeleton fails at once. One crack and you're completely immobile, permanently. Last one, bone marrow. That's where your red and white blood cells are made, and it works efficiently because it's distributed across many bones throughout your body. Cram all of that into one giant bone, and that production process becomes far less efficient. Your whole blood supply takes a hit. So here's the takeaway. 206 separate bones isn't a flaw in human design, it's the entire point. It's what gives us flexibility, movement, growth, protection, and even something as basic as breathing. One giant bone wouldn't make you stronger, it would make you a living statue, solid but completely useless. If you found this interesting, hit subscribe. I break down questions like this every week. And let me know in the comments, what body part would you want to ask what if about next? See you in the next one.